How to contact Upwork Customer Support. Hi everyone, this is Kate from Create, Login and Delete. Now without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, open up a new tab in any web browser that you prefer in your device, and in the search URL type in Upwork Customer Support. From here, navigate to the first link that says Contact Us. Now, once you get to this interface under Contact Us, there is the first option that says Customer Support. Click on it. Now from here, navigate to this menu bar and click on Contact Support from your left hand side. After that, scroll down a bit. It says How can we help? And under that, there is three options as Community, Academy and Chat with Support. From here, click on the last option that says Chat with Support, and now you can directly contact or chat with Upwork Customer Support. You can type in your message or your questions right here and then send it to Upwork Support. After that, Upwork Support Center will reply you back. So this is the way to contact to Upwork Support Center and start the live chat. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.